what are the menu options in Islamic Audiobooks app. You can access the menu option by clicking on the bottom right corner of your application. The first option is the About Us, which gives the brief description or brief details about Islamic Audiobooks application in English and Urdu. As we have covered the favorites in another video, let's go to History. History shows all your recent files which you have listened, and to delete any of the audio files, just left swipe and click on the red icon. If you would like to delete the complete list in one go, just click on the Clear History button as shown here. We have already covered download in our another video, so let's go to feedback. If you face any difficulties or would like to know more information about the application, just fill out your full name, email, and your feedback and click Submit Feedback, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Frequently asked questions is an easy way to know your application better. We have listed the top questions here so you don't have to face any issues. Connect to us via social networking platforms. Use our website or Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or Instagram. We will keep you posted of the latest updates with regards to the application. In testimonials, we will list down all the recent or most rated comments on Play Store and iOS App Store, or even by email. Do not forget to rate us on Google Play or iOS App Store